Hello everyone, my name is Yorbulat, I study math. Some of you may not know what the sine, what the cosine functions, what's the difference between them, how to remember them, also what the main aspects on the graph. And today I would like to tell you about how to graph cosine and sine functions, what is the difference between them, what's the main functions on the graph, and also the easiest way of how to remember the sine and cosine functions. To begin with, I would like to show you both cosine and sine functions. You see here, first is the sine functions. On the positive side, we see that starting from 0, it goes to the maximum, and as it reaches maximum, it slows down to the minimum, and as a wave, it continues. It continues. And also, as Paulson, mathematician, claim that sine and cosine functions are the waves because they are oscillating. And also, cosine is the same thing as a sine. The difference is that if we just shift sine function to the left by pi over 2, we will get cosine function. It is only the difference between them. Other things are the same. So, the next thing is the transformation of sine and cosine graphs. Here is the example of sine function which equals to y sine x, and actually on the graph there are two main aspects that we should know. We should define period and amplitude on the graph. So as it's a wave, you see here amplitude is a maximum height which is start from 0 and go to the up, and the same thing starts from 0 and go to the down. At both cases it has the same value, which always positive. The period here equals to 2 pi. 2 pi, it means that it's one period, and also it is a circle, because circle equals to 2 pi. So, in general, as Roberts says that there are two equations, general equations, for both sine and cosine functions. They equal to y equals to a times sine bx, and y equals a times cosine bx, where a is a amplitude and the period can be defined by b. So amplitude is the absolute value of a, and period is 2 pi divided by absolute value of b. So we see that both amplitude and period are always positive because they have absolute value. And also, the easiest way of how to remember what's the sine and what's cosine, it is a dance lesson for the mathematicians. Okay, let I give you some examples. So, x function should be like this. Absolute value of x is this. X squared is like this. X squared plus y squared is a circle, should be like this. Tangent x is this. Cotangent is that. Sine is this. Cosine is that. Where cosine is symmetric for the human body. So I think that was useful information for you. Bye.